Lauren here with a bright moment to tell you about one of my new favorite subscription services, Sizzlefish. Sizzlefish works closely with their suppliers to provide you only the finest sustainable seafood that is wild caught straight to your front door, and the process couldn't be easier. With flexibility to customize your order, it'll ship out with free shipping, arrives frozen, and is individually packaged so that time clock to cook it only starts when you want it to. So, you want a sneak peek into my box for this month? Let's start with one of my all-time favorites, Wild Alaska King Salmon. Fun fact, this is the one fish that all 24 of my family members will eat, including my cousin's toddlers. So in addition, I got some Wild Alaska sockeye salmon, which have this beautiful rich red color to it. And there's no additives, they're rich in omega-3s, and once again, individually packaged in these 4-ounce serving sizes, so it's super convenient. And you can never go wrong with shrimp. From my 10-minute Hawaiian shrimp recipe to grilled shrimp skewers with a nice lemon herb sauce, the possibilities are limitless. Next up, we have some Wild Atlantic cod, which I find has this beautiful, slightly sweet flavor, making the best homemade fish and chips or braised with summer vegetables. It's a great choice for keeping things light this summer since it's lower in carbohydrates yet high in protein. And last but certainly not least, we have some wild sea scallops, which are harvested off the coast of Maryland, and another great choice for keeping things light this summer since it is, once again, high in protein, low in calories. But when you sear this or grill it, it makes the most divine healthy indulgence. So I guess it's safe to say, fresh, wild-caught seafood at the click of a button, count me in.